Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a product catalog on Facebook. So you can start promoting and selling your products directly through Meta, tools like Facebook Shops and Instagram Shopping. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to click the Go to Ads Manager because this will forward you to your account. If you don't have a Facebook business account yet, all you have to do is very simple. As you may notice, there is an option for you to create a page. From here, just follow the on-screen instruction. You can choose to create a business or brand, community, or public figure. It's up to you. Once you've done that, you should be able to access the professional dashboard. From here, I want you to click the All Tools because this will forward you to a new page. Now, from here, once you have accessed the Meta Business Suite, I want you to go to the All Tools right here and look for the business settings. Okay? If you found that right here, what will happen is you will be forwarded to this dashboard. Now, creating a product catalog on Facebook is very simple. All I have to do is hover down below where you can see the option that says data sources. There is a drop-down menu and I want you to click the catalogs. Okay, now if you click on it, you just have to add your catalog here. You have the ability to choose the category right here. For example, we're going to add a new one right here. You can request access to catalog or create a new catalog, which we are going to do. Now, you can consider these alternatives if you wanted. You can create sets of group products for specific campaigns. And if you wanted to use one catalog, it's okay. But for now, we're going to use an existing catalog right here. Wait for it. And then you should be able to choose the following. If you want to connect to a partner, it's okay. Or give people access, it's okay. Now just click the next button so that we can successfully create a product catalog here in Facebook. Now, it is important at this moment to connect a new event source. If you want to skip that, it's okay. It's up to you. You can connect to a data feed or manually add your products. You can fill in a form, manually add products and services to your catalog. Now, if you are not familiar with it and you just wanted to create a new catalog by default, it's okay. You can simply click the skip button because this will forward you to the final step, which is very important. And now we can add a pixel or SDK, add a data source. It's up to you. But since we are already in this last stage, click the manage for your catalog right here. And you can, of course, create a title for each of the following catalogs that you have already done. Right? So you can view and manage all the products in your catalogs. Click the add button right here. If you wanted to know more, you can choose your preferred options. You can choose for manual, data file, maybe on partner platform or using Pixel. Now it's up to you. If you wanted to do it manually, it's okay because what will happen is we can add a new item from scratch. Let's say this one right here, and you can choose their prices accordingly. And basically, that's it for today's video. Now you have successfully created your first product catalog on Facebook. Now you can easily promote your products using Facebook ads, shops, or Instagram shopping. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.